Having instant, pure boiling and ice-cold water at the touch of a button is awesome. Not knowing how to change your BIBO maxi filter is not as awesome. That's why we've come up with a simple step-by-step video with everything you need to know about changing the filter on your BIBO bar. Your BIBO bar will alert you when your maxi filter needs to be replaced by first displaying a countdown to the expiration date. Thereafter, it will display this image. Make sure that you order your maxi filter on time to ensure your water is at its purest and that your BIBO bar functions optimally. Follow these steps to change your maxi filter with ease. Remove the lid on the top of your BIBO bar to reveal the covers of two white filters on the right-hand side. The maxi filter towards the back of your BIBO bar can be identified by its wider shape and protruding handle. Turn the handle anti-clockwise to unlock the used maxi filter. You can use the grip supplied with your filter replacement kit or do this by hand. Pull the filter up and out. Once you've removed the new maxi filter from its packaging, insert it into the opening. Make use of the grip handle to turn it clockwise whilst pushing down on the filter. This will lock it in place. Then replace the lid on your BIBO bar. You now need to complete the filter replacement by selecting the menu button on your BIBO bar screen and navigating to the maxi filter and zapper settings by touching the red cup button 5 times. Note that the setting you're on is the one highlighted in bronze in the center of your screen. Touch the menu button again to navigate into the maxi filter and zapper settings. The maxi filter option should already be selected. Touch the menu button to enter into the maxi filter settings. Here you will see how many days are left on your filter, with an option to change the current filter. To activate and reset your maxi filter counter, touch the menu button to update it. It will now display 180 days available on your new filter. To go back to the home screen, press the return button 3 times. Your BIBO maxi filter will last for another 6 months. Your BIBO bar is now ready to operate with pure perfection. BIBO, changing your water consumption forever.